Hello, ladies and gentlemen. My name is Adriana Bondarenko, a fourth-year bachelor student of architect. This work was developed jointly with candidate of architecture, associate professor of Department of Architecture of Buildings and Structures, Malashnikova Victoria. As an architect, I became interested in using smart and environmentally friendly materials in modern veterinary clinic architecture. This work focuses on reviewing the key trends in using such materials in creating spaces for veterinary medicine. It analyzes the importance of using biofeeding design, the green building materials, and sustainable technologies in the design and construction of veterinary clinics. It is also emphasizes the implementation of eco-friendly practices in construction to preserve the health of animals and the people who serve them. Smart and environmentally friendly materials in the architecture of veterinary clinics have gained significant importance in the modern construction industry. We conducted an analysis of key trends and innovations in the use of such materials in creating spaces for veterinary medicine. Specifically, the use of green building materials and sustainable technologies in the design and construction of veterinary clinics was examined. Additionally, the importance of implementing environmentally friendly practices in construction with consideration for the health of animals and the people who care for them was considered. Smart materials are explored in the context of enhancing the creative, ecological, and energy efficient potential of veterinary clinic buildings. The ecological and sustainable improvement of veterinary clinic architecture is also discussed. In today's world, the trend towards environmental conservation and creating a healthy space for animals and their owners is becoming increasingly relevant. The architecture of veterinary clinics plays a crucial role in this process, but their construction and outfitting require attention to the use of smart and environmentally friendly materials. It's important to note that many veterinary clinics today, whether newly built or exciting ones, often do not meet all the requirements of eco-friendliness and sustainable architecture. This may include reconstructed buildings that have undergone poor reconstruction and where clients did not consider strengths in modern veterinary clinic architecture and construction, or conventionally new veterinary clinic buildings built according to outdated requirements. Researching into the importance of smart and environmentally friendly materials in veterinary architecture opens us new possibilities for increasing the efficiency and sustainability of construction. Considering the high standards for the health and comfort of animals, as well as the need of environmental conservation, the use of such materials becomes not only mandatory but also crucial for success in this field. Over the past years, veterinary clinics have undergone significant transformation and change. Initially, clinic architecture was more utilitarian, focused on improving medicinal practice. However, over time, the design philosophy of clinics shifted towards technological integration and enhancing the comfort of the space for both animals and their owners. It's important to note that modern veterinary clinics are now more visually appealing and calming. Preferences is given to natural lighting, brighting colors, and thoughtful environmental design that makes visitors and clinic staff feel comfortable. Such an atmosphere prompts a sense of ease and comfort. Technological innovations have had a profound impact on the architecture of veterinary clinics. Whereas clinics were previously designed to accommodate basic medical and diagnostic equipment, much has changed now. Modern veterinary clinics are state-of-the-art technological centers equipped with visualization apparatus, modern scientific suites, and other additional features. The primary factor in designing modern veterinary clinics is comfort and coziness for both the clinic's visitors, including animals and their owners. Firstly, waiting areas are designed to separate owners, dogs, cats, and other animals to avoid stressful situations during the wait. In recent years, there has been increasing attention to sustainable development, the ecological impact of materials, and smart materials. Modern veterinary clinic buildings increasingly incorporate environmentally conclusions, materials, and various energy-efficient systems, such as lighting, heating, air conditioning, and ventilation. Additionally, the use of recycled and locally sourced materials is important because transporting materials from a fire generates a lot of harmful emissions. Today, there is significant interest in green materials in the construction of veterinary clinics, driven not only by increased attention to environmental aspects but also by a desire to improve the quality and sustainability of life for both animals and humans. Green materials such as bamboo, hemp, recycled materials, the use of microorganisms, and the others are becoming increasingly popular due to the environmental benefits, high technical characteristics, and potential of innovative use in the construction of veterinary facilities. One of the important principles of green architecture is the quality of the indoor environment. Designing a veterinary clinic based on green principles involves creating a comfortable interior space with a focus on natural temperature control, proper ventilation, and the use of eco-friendly materials that do not emit toxic compounds or gases, emphasizing natural elements in the design such as green walls, winter gardens, and attention soon should be paid to the importance of using environmental friendly materials in the construction of veterinary clinics. Green materials not only contribute to reducing negative environmental impact, but also help create a healthy and comfortable environment for animals and humans. Their application in the architecture of veterinary facilities opens us wide opportunities for improving the quality of life for animals, providing them with safe and comfortable conditions in healthcare facilities. The use of smart and environmentally friendly materials in veterinary architecture is of paramount importance for several key reasons. Firstly, it ensures the creation of a safe and comfortable environment for animals and clinic staff. Smart materials can be designed to prevent the accumulation of bacteria and viruses, ensuring a high level of hygiene and medical facilities. Secondly, using smart materials can improve the energy efficiency of buildings and reduce heating and air conditioning costs, thereby contributing to a reduction in carbon dioxide emissions and mitigating climate change. Finally, the use of such materials allied which with modern ecological and energy efficient standards, demonstrating responsibility and a commitment to sustainable development in veterinary medicine. This approach can be a key factor in improving the quality of life for animals and ensuring their long-term health and well-being. Veterinary clinics play a critical role in ensuring the health and well-being of animals. The importance of creating optimal conditions for both animals and medical staff raises doubts about the need of the implementation of smart and environmentally friendly materials in the architecture of veterinary facilities. One of the key advantages of using smart materials is the ability to create a safe and hygienic environment. Additionally, environmentally friendly materials help avoid the impact of toxic substances on the health of animals and personnel, ensuring them a safe and comfortable stay indoors. Overall, smart and environmentally friendly materials play a key role in enhancing the efficiency and sustainability of veterinary clinics, providing safety, comfort, and ecological resilience in indoor spaces, allowing to meet the highest standards of animal care and satisfaction of their needs. Graphene, the first among promising smart materials, is worth nothing for use in new construction or the renovation of exciting buildings. Graphene is 200 times stronger than steel, so it finds application in construction. Another important smart material for use in veterinary clinics is windows created using Nanophotonics student studies the behavior of light and on a nanometer scale and the integration of nanometer-sized objects with light. With these technologies, windows are created that respond to the intensity of sunlight and temperature, optimizing indoor lighting and regulating thermal comfort. Another incredible smart material is self-healing concrete, also known as bioconcrete. This type of concrete can be used for sidewalks and street coverings of veterinary clinics. Lastly, hydromembranes, materials that react to moisture, are the alternative innovative material for cooling systems. Construction of veterinary clinics facilities typically requires significant efforts and resources, but smart use of green materials can greatly reduce the environmental impact of this process. Firstly, using green materials helps reduce harmful emissions and promotes the conservation of natural resources. Secondly, green materials often have a lower carbon footprint compared to traditional building materials. For example, using hemp fibers in building structures can reduce CO2 emissions as hemp absorbs more carbon dioxide during its growth than it emits during processing. Additionally, green materials are often biodegradable and can be recycled after the end of the building's life cycle. For instance, using bamboo as building material promotes its use as a source for energy in the next cycle. The use of environmentally sustainable materials in the construction of veterinary facilities not only contributes to natural conservation but also has numerous benefits for the health and well-being of both animals and humans. Sustainable building materials with low environmental impact are one of the key principles of sustainable architecture and circular construction. The sustainability of materials is assessed based on social, economic, and environmental factors. Firstly, environmentally sustainable materials help create favorable conditions for animals in veterinary clinics. Secondly, they contribute to improving indoor air quality in veterinary clinics by not emitting harmful substances that could affect the respiratory systems of animals and humans working in the facility. Additionally, the use of sustainable materials reduces the risk of illness for both animals and humans associated with exposure to toxic substances. The use of smart and environmentally friendly materials in the construction of veterinary facilities is a key aspect of modern architecture practice. Our work has explored a wide range of materials and trends that not only ensure the stability and efficiency of structures, but also contribute to environmental preservation and the health of animals and humans. Utilizing smart materials such as those derived from microorganisms and graphene additives allows for improving the quality and durability of buildings. Their innovative properties contribute to enhancing energy efficiency and the resilience of building structures. Overall, the use of smart and environmentally friendly materials in veterinary architecture proves to be an important step towards creating a more sustainable and humane environment for both animals and humans. Thank you for your attention.